Best scented car wash soaps clean effectively while leaving a long-lasting fresh fragrance, enhancing your driving experience and vehicle care satisfaction. My today's video is about top 5 best scented car wash soaps that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap continues to be a favorite among car enthusiasts thanks to its outstanding cleaning performance and thick, luxurious foam. Whether used with a foam cannon, foam gun, or traditional bucket wash, it creates rich suds that effectively lift dirt and road grime from the surface, helping minimize swirl marks and scratches during washing. One of its biggest advantages is its pH-balanced formula, which safely cleans without stripping existing waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings. This makes it an excellent choice for maintaining protected vehicles while preserving a brilliant shine. The soap works well on paint, glass, wheels, trim, and plastic surfaces, delivering a spotless and glossy finish every time. Its versatility extends across cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs, making it suitable for both professional detailers and DIY users. The large 64-ounce bottle offers excellent value, providing numerous washes. Overall, Mr. Pink combines effective cleaning, paint-safe lubrication, and lasting shine in one dependable car wash solution. Now our second product is Armor All All-Purpose Car Wash. Armor All All-Purpose Car Wash is a reliable and budget-friendly solution for keeping vehicles clean, shiny, and well-maintained. Its thick, foaming formula creates rich suds that effectively loosen and lift dirt, dust, and road grime from the surface, making routine washing easier and safer for your vehicle's finish. The specially formulated cleaning agents provide strong cleaning power without being overly harsh, helping restore a fresh, polished appearance after every wash. One of its standout features is the streak-free rinse, which leaves surfaces looking clear and spotless without residue or watermarks. Unlike household dish soaps that can strip away protective wax layers, this car wash is designed to be safe on all vehicle finishes and existing wax coatings. The generous 1-gallon size offers excellent value, making it ideal for frequent car owners or families with multiple vehicles. Overall, Armor All All-Purpose Car Wash delivers a great balance of cleaning performance, shine enhancement, and paint-safe protection for regular vehicle care. Our third product is Swift Touchless Car Wash Shampoo. This touchless shampoo is an excellent solution for vehicle owners seeking fast, effective cleaning without the effort of traditional hand washing. Its thick, high-foaming formula is specifically designed to break down grease, road film, dirt, and grime, allowing contaminants to be safely rinsed away without the need for brushes, wash mitts, or scrubbing. The application process is remarkably simple. Just apply the foam to a dry vehicle, allow it to dwell for a few minutes, and rinse with a pressure washer. This touch-free approach helps save significant time while reducing the risk of swirl marks and surface scratches caused by physical contact. Another standout feature is its ready-to-use biodegradable formula, eliminating the hassle of measuring dilution ratios. Despite its powerful cleaning action, it remains safe for paint, plastic, rubber, chrome, glass, ceramic coatings, wraps, and paint protection films. With the ability to clean up to 10 vehicles per gallon, this shampoo offers excellent value, convenience, and professional-level results for both enthusiasts and commercial users. Now number 4, 3D Wash and Wax Car Wash Soap. 3D Wash and Wax is a smart all-in-one solution for car owners who want both cleaning power and added protection in a single step. Infused with wax polymers, it not only removes dirt and road grime effectively but also enhances gloss, leaving a smooth, freshly detailed finish after every wash. Its pH-balanced formula is designed to be tough on contaminants while remaining gentle on existing wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings. This makes it an excellent choice for regular maintenance washes, helping preserve long-term paint protection instead of stripping it away. The rich foaming action helps lift and encapsulate dirt, reducing friction during washing and minimizing the risk of swirl marks or scratches. It rinses off cleanly without residue or water spots, making drying easier and more efficient. Ideal for weekly maintenance or quick detailing sessions, this USA-made shampoo delivers consistent showroom-style shine. Overall, it's a reliable pick for enthusiasts who want convenience, protection, and a glossy finish in one product. And our last choice is Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. Miguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax is a premium maintenance solution designed to clean, enhance shine, and extend protection between full waxing sessions. Infused with a blend of carnauba wax and advanced synthetic polymers, it gently lifts dirt while boosting gloss for a freshly detailed appearance after every wash. Its pH-neutral formula ensures compatibility with all exterior finishes and existing wax layers, making it safe for clear coats, sealants, and coatings. The rich foaming action helps encapsulate grime, reducing friction and minimizing the risk of swirl marks during washing. Each wash leaves behind a smooth, glossy surface with a noticeable just waxed effect, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want consistent showroom-level results with minimal effort. Backed by Miguiar's 125 years of innovation in automotive care, this wash and wax delivers dependable performance, convenience, and long-lasting shine for routine vehicle maintenance. Overall, it is a reliable choice for drivers seeking quick maintenance washes with enhanced gloss and protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.